Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain SoFi app review to see if it's worth using. The SoFi app is a free all-in-one personal finance tool that lets you manage money, invest, borrow, and plan all from one clean dashboard. You can open a checking and saving account with no fee, get paid up to 2 days early, and earn interest that's actually really high than most traditional banks. The app also offers a free stock and ETF trading with no commission, crypto investing, and access to budgeting tools and credit score tracking. So if you need a loan or want to refinance student debit, you can do that directly in the app too, and qualified members get rate discount. The interface is modern, easy to navigate, and built to help you grow your money step by step. And here's a better conclusion. So SoFi is great if you want to manage multiple parts of your finance in one place without paying a fee. It's especially useful for young professionals and anyone looking to bank, invest, and borrow with a tech-savvy, user-friendly platform. And that's it.